here with Coastal Crafts, and this is the Monterey necklace video tutorial. Today we're gonna make this beautiful peridot necklace that features a brushed gold tube. You're gonna learn how to crimp a hook and eye clasp on and use a crimp bead cover, which hides your crimp beads, hides your finishings so that you end up with a really professional looking boutique style piece of jewelry. All right, grab your kit, unpack all your supplies, and meet me back here for instruction. Let's go over real quick what we have in our kit. We have a yard of soft flex beading wire, 4 crimp beads, 2 crimp bead covers, a hook and eye clasp, a brushed gold noodle bead, and a strand of this really beautiful faceted peridot. This is a rare gemstone that is formed in the Earth's mantle, and it's brought to the surface by volcanoes. Super cool. It's really pretty. It's a very natural, organic color, and I just think it goes so well with the gold. I'm really excited to make this necklace and wear it. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my bead stoppers. These come in the kit. Open the bead stopper by pulling the 2 ears together, sliding the end of your soft flex in, and that's gonna keep your beads on while you string. I'm going to hold my peridot strand together at the end and cut it right in half, right down the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and start stringing half of my beads onto my soft flex. When I get halfway done, I will put the gold noodle on, and then I will string the other half. Then I'm gonna hold it up and measure it. And if I need to take off or add, onto one side or the other, I can do that because I've got my bead stopper on and I don't have my clasp on yet. So, get to stringing. They're really small. Don't curse me, it's gonna be great when it's done. Okay, I'm coming up on my last few beads here, and then I'm gonna measure where I'm at with my length. Lay your necklace in your bead design board. This also comes in the kit, and it comes in the tool kit. I meant to say earlier, these bead stoppers are in the tool kit, not in the necklace kit. All the tools, these cutters, these pliers, coils, and the bead board come in our tool kit. All right, so we've got the noodle at the 0. Let me take my cord end off so I can get a good measurement. I'm at 8.5 on each side, which means I'm at 17 inches. And if I add the clasp, which is gonna add 1 inch, I'm gonna be at 18 inches. So I want my necklace to be 16-inch total. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide off an inch of beads off of each side. Kind of want mine to be a choker. If you like your necklace 18-inch, go ahead and leave all the beads on. I'm gonna slide those off so that I've got 7.5 on each side, which gives me 15 inches. We'll bring it up to 16-inch when we add the clasp. Now that I have my length right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a crimp bead, this little tube, slide it onto the end of my wire, grab my clasp. It doesn't matter which side you put on first because there's no front or back. So go ahead and slide your clasp on. Take your soft flex wire back through the crimp bead. You want to tighten that side up. Let's pop one of these on over here so I don't lose my string. Grab your pliers, the flat ones, not the round, your little needle nose, so you can get in. You want to leave a little bit of room so that the clasp dangles in between your wire and the crimp. Go ahead and smash that bead flat. That's what it's for. Squish it flat. Grab your cutters, get in as close as you can, and snip your wire. Okay, save this piece for another project. Now for the other side, grab a crimp bead, slide it on, loop the other side of the clasp, back through the crimp bead with your wire. And I like to hold the clasp while I pull the tail of the soft flex. Then that kind of takes up any slack, so I don't have any wire showing on my necklace. Grab your pliers again, go in and squish that crimp bead flat. Trim your wire. Hold the wire when you cut it because it will go flying. I don't want you to poke yourself in the eye. Grab these little cuffs. It's a crimp bead cover. It's a gold-filled little cuff that's gonna turn into a bead when we close it over our crimp. It's just for aesthetics. It doesn't make your necklace stronger. It just covers up the hardware, the flattened crimp bead. I don't mind it so much, but it really does finish the necklace off nice and clean. So you put the cuff over that crimp bead, you grab your pliers, and you gently close the crimp cover around the crimp. Takes a little finessing, just make sure you don't crush your bead. And you pop one over the other side. It's a little slippery. Even after years of doing this, I still struggle with the crimp cover sometimes. You'll get there and you'll love it. I do. I think it just finishes the necklace off so nicely. And that is the Monterey necklace completed. I hope you enjoyed making this, and I hope you enjoy wearing it even more. See you next time.